Hello, everyone. It is, let's see what time it is. You can see right there. Just got my groceries. The time that was supposed to be delivered was between noon and 2. I don't think I did too bad. The man has delivered stuff here before, did a fabulous job. I don't have any complaints whenever he delivers my stuff. He always has it well packed and just everything separated. I love it. Deserves a tip. Let me tell you, deserves a tip. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought. I'm taking a little bit of a break from spring cleaning video today, but it will recommence tomorrow. I've been having a little bit of technical problems and you'll have to forgive me. Everything is learning here. It's totally learning, but I do want to share my grocery haul because I know some of you guys do enjoy seeing what I buy. If you want to know, I use Walmart Plus. My husband is blind. I am legally blind. This is an amazing service. It's worth every penny. It's already paid for itself. I don't have to lug all of this onto a bus and off the bus. It is delivered straight to my door. It's always prompt, always on time. I've never had my groceries stolen. My produce has always been fresh. I have nothing bad to say. I know other people feel otherwise, but I have nothing negative to say about this thing. In fact, I think that maybe the shoppers do a better job than I do when I go shopping. I don't know. I feel that way. But I was able to scrub my floor this morning, have coffee, eat breakfast, and somebody else was doing all of my shopping for me, and it saves me. And honestly, if you have ever got on the bus with all of your groceries, you know that it is a pain. So this is wonderful. This is wonderful. I just have nothing bad to say. So in the back here, I've got some tortilla chips. Didn't have any. We're planning, I don't know. Some of these meals will probably roll over until next week too. So I'm just letting you know. 2 cans of diced tomatoes because I am making chili again. I made chili like a week ago, and I'm going to tell you it was so good. I had 1 cup left, and I ate it for breakfast. It was that good and amazing. And I said, I remember exactly how I made it, and I'm going to do it that way again, and because it was absolute perfection. It was so delicious. Okay, loaf of bread. That's kind of a no-brainer every week. Loaf of bread, right? I have about a half a loaf of bread left. But yeah, I have a loaf of bread, sweet onions, can of coffee. My coffee has gone up in price. This was like $12. Now it's $14 and something. Also got a huge thing of aluminum foil because I can't run out of it. And my stack of seasoning. I just kind of stocked up a little bit. So I've got some Chilio seasoning. I bought a couple of those. Brown gravy mix, couple of those. I like to keep my box full. So I've got some taco seasoning as well. And that way, I have that. So down here in the meat, I got a lot of meat this week. Some Italian sausage. This is going to go for homemade pizza and spaghetti one night. Also a thing of chicken legs. Now, I think I might have a thing of chicken drumsticks in my deep freeze. If so, these will probably go in a deep freeze and I'll pull the other ones out. That way, you know, we don't have anything sitting in there for a long period of time. 2 boxes of the Butterball turkey burgers. You guys know that we're obsessed with these. Last week, I took these patties and I put them in a pan with sweet onion, and I got them almost done. And then I took 2 packages of this and mixed it with 2 cups of water, hot water, poured it over the top of the turkey burgers, allowed it to simmer for a while, added salt and pepper. I didn't add anything else. And then I made mashed potatoes and green beans, and that was the best version of Salisbury steak I think we have ever ate. My husband absolutely loved it. It was super easy. I can't even see why you can't even put that in a crock pot that way. But honestly, oh my gosh, so good. Then I bought a second one. I don't know that it's for Salisbury steak, but we do like a good burger. I like my burgers with lots of pickles and mayonnaise and a little bit of cheese. Delicious. Some regular ground turkey. I've been cooking with it instead of burger. And my husband loves it. I love it. And it keeps us away from a lot of red meat and a lot of extra fat. This is good. Good lean meat. Cheese, mild cheddar, as well as the mozzarella. Also needed a thing of cooking spray. Completely out of cooking spray. Needed it desperately. Thing of jumbo russet potatoes. We're by my sink, by the way. Let's see here. We got this for taco night to go with the tortilla chips. My husband loves that. I put a little bit of this on my tacos, and that is really good. I'm not really a chip and dip person. Another gallon of milk. I don't say another. I have a half a gallon of milk in my fridge. So a gallon of milk and 3 of these mushroom sauces. Love these. If you've been watching me a long time, you know this is my go-to spaghetti sauce. I use it for pizzas. I use it in lasagnas. I use it for everything. Even chicken parmesan. Love this sauce. And I know a few of my viewers have been turned over to this because we love it. So I'm going to show you. I got 2 boxes or cases or however you want to say it of the soda. We've got ginger ale. We've got Diet Cola. These are about $4 and some change a box. Cheap, delicious. I love my Diet Cola. I honestly can't tell the difference between this and the Diet Coke, but I really like it. And that is all I bought. And I'm going to put this away because I have my mixer out over here. And this has nothing to do with it, this yeast. It's just sitting there. But I have Herman out again. And if you guys have been watching me for a while, or at least in the last week, you guys know about Herman Jr. He is my sourdough starter, and it is bread day again today. So I've got everything ready to go here. I wasn't prepared to get my groceries that quickly for whatever reason. Glad they're here though. I'm going to put them up, and then I'm going to make some bread. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and spring cleaning should commence tomorrow. We're going to be doing the living room, so be watching for that. If you have missed the other spring cleaning videos, there is spring cleaning 1 and 2 and 3 that's been released, so you'll be seeing 4 tomorrow. And in the description box, I will link those videos for you all so you guys can stay tuned and stay in touch with what I'm doing around here. So thanks so much for watching. If you are new to Heidi's Home, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Do you all use Walmart Plus, and do you like it? Because I absolutely think it's amazing. Thank you, Walmart, for coming out with that. You have saved my life. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye, guys.